Good afternoon, guys. Did a previous video on this AR that I built. You can go back and look at it on the channel. But what we're going to do today is we're going to shoot it for accuracy. Now, I've got the Magpul backup rear sights on there. It came on the gun from Palmetto State. Came on the gun. This front sight came on the gun. All this came on. I just attached it to my polymer lower that I made. 10-round magazine. And I've shot the gun to ensure that it actually fires and cycles and all that. All that's good. Today what we're going to do is we're going to test it for accuracy. So I've bore sighted the iron sights to 25 yards. We're going to get out there in the field with a target. Just shoot 3 rounds and see what kind of MOA and what kind of grouping we got at 25 yards. Pretty simple, but the idea was to see how this gun shoots out of the box from Palmetto State. So stay tuned, we'll get in the field with some targets. All right, here's the 3-round grouping right here, guys, from 25 yards. Iron sights only. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of impressed with this grouping. I felt pretty unstable just standing and shooting with iron sights. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna call that 2.5 inches maybe. But again, I was trying to hit the red, but I felt really unstable with the iron sights at 25 yards. So this is a 12-inch wide by 18-inch tall target. So that's right out of the box. All I did was bore sight the iron sights, and 25 yards, 3 shots in a row. Palmetto State Armory 5.56 with a polymer 80 finished lower. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you liked the video, if you would like me to do more videos like this. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, did the last 3 shots just standing up there with the GoPro. And you can see about the same kind of pattern, you know. But 25 yards, open sights. Palmetto State 5.56. So, y'all let me know what you think. I'll do more of these if y'all like watching them. Thanks for watching. All right, one last thing just to give you an idea about the grouping. The size, I don't have a tape measure with me, but I do have pellets, which, you know, a lot of people are familiar with this, but to give you an idea of the size, all of those fit inside of there. So from 25 yards, it gives you an idea of what you're looking at. The size of a pellet case you can buy at Walmart. Pretty decent to me, standing upright, open iron sights.